Hey, it's Dano with Flinco. We're out here at the ABC Careers in Construction Day. There's over 600 students planning to attend today, and ABC has 36 great companies to inspire them to join our industry. This event is one of ABC's top priorities, promoting, educating, and recruiting students into the construction trade. Have you had a good time out here today?
Amazing time. I like all the programs out here. It's amazing.
Yeah, what's the most favorite thing you've gotten to do today?
This program right here, Comfort System USA. I love the 3D modeling and all of that.
The little robots with the candy.
Driving little robots or Walker Engineering. There's a lot of hands-on.
Walker Engineering, I was able to bend some pipe and bend into a U-shape. I've enjoyed it quite a lot.
It's the remote-controlled vehicle there.
I've been getting a lot of freebies, so I like that. All this.
Bring the swag.
Exactly. Come down.
I did some welding up in one of the trucks over there.
Oh. Yeah, we gotta keep it.
Yeah, that's
right. Yeah, we each made one. I was gonna say the same thing, the welding. I think see everything and everyone and all the games were definitely a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Just kind of make new connections, talk about different companies and what they do.
I get free stuff.
Go around to all these different stations and learn about all what they do.
Just see the opportunities.
The favorite thing I've done today is the TIG welding.
Definitely the TIG machine.
Probably the TIG.
Mine was the TIG.
My favorite thing was probably the cornhole. Probably the cornhole. Probably learning about the drones.
Learning about all these other jobs that I never knew really existed and more opportunities for me.
Drywall drilling. The drywall and then the truck.
Checking out the truck.
See all the students walking by, over 600 of them here today. What's some advice you could give to some of the students as they graduate high school and are considering going into the construction trade?
You got to be a go-getter.
Willing to learn, do what challenges you, what sometimes scares you.
Plenty of options to go around here. As you can see, all around us, there's plenty of companies looking for good young people wanting to learn.
To show up. Showing up is 90% of the battle. If you're reliable, you're going to go a long ways in this industry.
We expect people to be punctual because we've got to be on time for our customers every time.
Be willing to learn. Learning on the job is a great thing that we offer and all these companies here offer.
Have an appetite to learn.
Appetite to grow. Definitely, yeah.
Just be one big sponge and soak up all you can, going into every booth and finding out what avenues go where.
Showing up on time and being there Monday through Friday and good communication goes a long way.
Someone who is not afraid to get a little dirt on their face because it gets messy, but it's some of the most rewarding work that you'll be doing out there.
Integrity, dependability, honesty, and I think that goes with everything in life.
Our core values are capable, conscientious, perseverant, and gung-ho.
There's more than life out there than just going to school.
Yeah, work ethic and you know, we're looking for folks that want to go build stuff.
Just thirst to learn something more and learn something new.
I'd say look for a company that's going to help you grow as an individual and as a member of the industry. A lot of great companies out here that'll, put you back to school, pay you to learn and continue to grow your skill set.
I think the best thing is to give something a shot and give it a long enough time to see if you really like it.
Personal responsibility, good ethics, doing the right thing when nobody's looking.
Keep your options open, explore, and don't be afraid to ask questions.
Choose an industry, an organization, do your research about these organizations, and lean into it. And roll your sleeves up and let's get to work.
Tell us why this event is important to y'all.
Yes, sir. I'm Abel Gomez. I am a welding instructor at Del Valley High School. Brought the kids out here to give them an opportunity to look at all the fields and construction work, not just centered in welding and electrician, plumber stuff. There's many different routes they can take, and it's just for them to see possibilities after they finish high school.
We can focus on certain things in the classroom, but get them out here in front of the contractors and the employers, that's huge for us. So thank you everybody for this.
I'm 100% convinced that those who learn a trade will have work their entire life. You'll never go a day without work. Eventually you'll be able to name your price. There's a lot of money to be made in our industry.
Tell me what you think about my kicks.
Little Jordan 1s going on here.
Oh yeah. So I hear there's a story about walking a job site. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, so McCallum High School, we had an architecture class, and I remember one of our field trips, kind of like this one, was to go tour a job site in Austin. And I thought, this is really something I could see myself doing. So here we are, 10 years later now, and running projects and doing it from the ground up. So it kind of came full circle there.
I'm just amazed. You can look out here, if you were to swing this camera around, there's hundreds of kids out here. From a general contractor side, what I would recommend is sending more kids out this way because there's a gap. right? The guys have been doing this for a while. They're starting to get senior. They're starting to move on. So we need kids who are interested in putting things together, problem solving, coming out here and basically building that future builder, that person in construction. So come on out, help us out. But yeah, no, I think it's a great event.
Well, Milwaukee made a really big donation today for all the kids that are out here. Over 600 students today. I think y'all donated the PPE for that, so that's super cool. Really appreciate y'all's dedication to workforce development, helping these students really understand the importance of PPE. The next question I was going to ask y'all is, what do you think about Hawaiian Shirt Wednesday?
Love it.
Amazing. You couldn't tell us? I would have dressed all out for Hawaiian Shirt Wednesday.
You are on notice for next year, so thanks so much for being out here for supporting ABC and for y'all's donation. Really appreciate it.
Absolutely.
We hope to see you next year, and remember the things that you heard today. Work hard, follow up. Don't let this be the last time that you talk to the people you met today. Thank you so much for coming out. We appreciate it.